sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it. YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy, Mr. Mitos. Back with another unboxing. Check this out. What you see here and before you is a Kraken Vesla.5. Let's just give it a moment of silence. All right, so check this out. Life is short, bash hard. Electric version from Kraken. It's the Vesla.5. Has been added to the arsenal. I've been wanting a Kraken for quite some time, you guys. And I just never pulled the trigger on one until most recently. And long story short, got this from DDM Racing. And they're located in Utah. So Utah is a couple states above me. And got here in 2 days. 2 days, shipped right to my door, UPS. And the rest is history. So I had to open this outside, guys, because as you can see, this is on a 6-foot table. And look how big this box is. The rig isn't in the box. I took the rig out already. But I just wanted to show you the magnitude of this box and just how big this rig is. And gonna show you what it looked like for those who don't know what a Vesla is or who's unfamiliar with the Kraken brand, which is different from Losi, Arma, Traxxas, you feel me? All the other ones that's out there that's that has the fit scales. So this comes in a gas and electric. I got the electric, and it's 2-wheel drive. So it's a different driving experience with the big fifth scale with being 2-wheel drive. So I always wanted a 2-wheel drive fifth scale. I thought Arma would make one. Traxxas would make one. Losi would make one. So I was holding off, but I just went ahead and pulled the trigger on a Vesla. And I'm going to take you guys on a journey with me of building this bad boy out. So without further ado, let me go ahead and bring to you the Kraken Vesla.5. All right, guys, here we have it. Check it out. This is your Kraken Kraken Vesla.5. The electric version. And the only two items you get in the box outside of the rig is this little package with this XT150 plug and some servo horns. That's about it, and some little instruction. And then you get this, which is kind of lackluster, in my opinion. I mean, but if it gets the job done, it gets the job done. But I won't be keeping it. Absolutely not at all. But this is the little remote that comes with it. I believe this comes apart too. Somehow, some form of fashion. Oh, there we go. It's pretty dope, but this won't get no airtime, no playtime. Let's slide this back in here if I can. Pretty dope, I would say. But yeah, it won't be getting any playtime with this. So, but yeah, you guys, so let me run this to the edge of a 6-foot table. So that's the edge. Step back. Just see how big it is on a 6-foot fold-up table. That's more than half the table. That's more than half the table that this thing picks up. So in order for me to take this body off, I've been watching some videos, doing my homework on it and what have you. And it's bolted on. Like there's a couple bolts, bolt here, bolt there. The front bumper got to come off. A couple bolts, as you can see right here. Those got to come off. There's some pull tabs back here that'll lift the back off. And then you can take the body off. I may do that in this video. just so I can show you guys the interior of it. So if you bear with me, I can go ahead and get that done. But first, let me go ahead and try to see if it'll fit on this Traxxas stand. They say it's a 5th scale stand, so we're gonna see how I want to put it. Let me try this way. All right, hold on a minute. How wide is it? We'll see. All right. So we can get it stabilized. Let's give it a spin. Look like it's too heavy in the back. Let's bring it over some. Don't want it to fall off. Yeah, it look unbalanced. Hold on, guys. All right, let me get a better camera angle for you guys. Give me a second. Let's change the camera, change the view. So let's get a really good look here. So we can get some light in here on these wheels. So these wheels are Kraken. Pretty dope. They're not belted, of course. Look how beefy the axles are. Big, huge shocks. All the multiple positions for the shocks. Check it out. Really thick paws. Shock mount. It's like everything on here is beefed up. Everything. Check it out. Battery box, servo. Here's the front, guys. It's your knuckles, hubs, carrier. Look how big these steering turnbuckles are, which is crazy. Like everything is like oversized on this bad boy. And there's plenty hop-ups that's coming this way for sure. Definitely one of these steering assemblies is coming. But check it out, guys. Check this out. Here's the gearing. It's got a plastic cover. It also has a slipper clutch. I believe this is a 16-tooth pinion, 1.5 mod gearing. I think this is a 57-tooth spur that's on there. I've done my homework right. This is the transmission in the rear. Over on the top, let me swing it around on this side. In the inside, we got a Kraken. I believe this is like a either a 750 or 740 kV motor. Bring it in here. We have the Kraken. Looks like it's a Hobby Wing Kraken branded ESC. That's a 200 amp ESC. And it's running off of XT150 plugs. You see that there. You have your battery assembly there. Put your two 4S batteries. So they make a 12S setup to take some wider batteries. So I got that on the way. Up in here, guys. Taylor RC makes nice hop-ups for the steering. Bonehead RC makes carbon fiber shock mounts. There is a tower-to-tower chassis brace that I also got coming. That's on the way. So let me tell you about what my plans is with this bad boy. All right, so this is I think this is number 7 or 8. No, yeah, maybe, yeah, 7 or 8 big 5th scales like this. I have a couple 5Ts or 5B, a DBXLE, this guy, X Maxes and Kratons and whatnot. So I have all that in my collection. But by far, this one is the most interesting to me because it is two-wheel drive. So my plans with this guy is, so right now, so what's on order that should be here in the next couple of days. This is a week of Thanksgiving, so hopefully the holiday doesn't delay any of my customizations. But shout out to Kilowatt RC. I copped one of those Mad Max 20 ESCs from his website, you know, to give him some support. So grab one of those. I got a 650 kV Hobby Wing motor that I got from Maiden that'll be here on Wednesday. Taylor RC gears. I got the 48-28 gear ratio. Spur and pinion that's coming. I believe those are blackhead or bonehead gears, if I'm not mistaken, but they come from Taylor RC website. Internally, from the actual Kraken website, I got the whole transmission housing, this plastic housing right here. I got a billet aluminum one, and also have the Taylor RC steel gears coming for that as well. So I got the gearing done, taking care of the housing, his billet, you feel me? What else I got coming here? Oh, like I said, the 12S battery setup that's coming in here as well. Top plate, billet top plate. Oh, the sway bars as well. As you can see, there's a spot to put a sway bar in the front and the rear. So there's no sway bars on here. So the sway bars is en route as well. There's a couple of goodies, guys, that I got coming right out of the gate. So my first round, I want to do stabilizing my power, getting my power down with the ESC motor combo, my gearing, you know, just getting all that situated, you know, the steering, just the handling of the RC. Then once I get all that situated, then I'll go ahead and start putting my billet pieces on, like the steering assembly. May go with the billet arms to put some weight in the front. Oh yeah, before I forget to mention, I got a Bebop wheelie bar that's coming on here too. That'll be here tomorrow, as a matter of fact. Got that from Taylor RC as well. Bebop wheelie bar. I have one that's on my 5B. For those who know what the Bebop wheelie bars look like. So, but yeah, guys, this is your Kraken Vesla.5 that's been added to the arsenal. On down the line, I will be painting me a body. I like the color scheme because I'm an Eagles fan, and I love the Kelly green that's on here. You feel me? But I got to do my own thing, personalize it. And DDM got these on sale now for $80 for an actual body. So I may grab one of those too, and ultimately do a chassis swap with the Taylor RC billet chassis. But that's on down the line, guys. Other than that, I want to just get it out, get it running. I do not have any battery leads that are XT150, so it would require me to remove this ESC, solder on some new leads just to run it, just for me to take it out to replace it with the Max 20. So I'm just going to hold off on running it until I get my electronics in it later this week. But I wanted to give you guys a video of what's coming to the channel, so stay tuned for more videos of this bad boy. I'm looking forward to it. The weather's right. As long as I can get away from work, you know, I can make it happen, guys. This is the Kraken Vesla.5 electric version added to Mr. Mito's arsenal. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. Happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, peace and blessings. And I'll see you in the next video. I believe the next video is that Mojave, if I don't pop that first. So it is what it is. Peace and blessings.